there's a lot of shame associated with messing it up. You got to keep, like you said, you got to keep a stiff upper lip, right? And things are good and we're growing and business is great, but what's going on in the back room? So what are like, give us like 3 fundamentals that we could start to at least, that 20% might help impact 80% of clean up the mess that we have, in the back room.
All right, so a few good accounting fundamentals, right, would be 1, take your accounting more seriously, right? Beyond it just being great for your taxes and saving you money at the end of the year, which is very, very important, don't get me wrong. It gives you an understanding in your business that looking at your bank account can't. Looking at your bank account, you know how much money you have right now. It doesn't tell you anything about how much money you spent, how much money you're about to spend, money coming in and out. It just doesn't tell you. But when you have your accounting done and it's accurate, once a month you can look at your profit and loss, and I believe anyone can look at their profit and loss and learn from it, and you learn from your business, right? All humans are good at recognizing patterns. It's just part of what's innate in us. You notice when you've driven through 5 green lights in a row. How many times have you driven through a lot of green lights and you pulled over, you look at your partner and you're just like, wow, did we hit all the greens? That's amazing. Or you're in a bathroom and you notice the tiles are out of place. Or maybe that's just me. But we notice patterns just inherently, right? And if you look at your profit and loss 15 minutes every month, you'll start noticing your own patterns, right? So do your accounting, right? And if you don't want to do it, outsource it. Chances are it's a good financial decision to outsource your accounting. After that, I would say take your invoicing a little bit more seriously. Take your cash flow a little bit more seriously. It isn't wishy-washy. It isn't up to, kind of the gods when you get paid, or how your invoicing is or how your cash flow is. You have control over it, right? And the last one, and this one I harp on a lot with my own clients, save more for retirement. It's something no one really talks about in the entrepreneurial community. It's something that we all feel like once I'm successful, once the next big contract comes in, once I have 10 employees, once I have 20 employees, then I'll save for retirement. Oh, I'll sell my business. There's all these kind of excuses, and I'm sure you've heard them. You just hear them all the time. I'll save then. And the problem with saving for retirement and why it's different than other things is, if you're late on your mortgage payment, the bank will let you know. If you're late on your power bill, they're just going to turn it off. Taxes, the IRS will send you a letter. You'll find out something went wrong. If you're not saving for retirement, you're not going to find out till you're 50. And your friends start talking about, oh, when I retire, and you realize, oh, when we're supposed to retire, oh, that's happening now, right? So it's important. And those 3 things I think are the biggest, from a financial standpoint, important things to kind of embrace and do. And I guess the 4th, I'm cheating, I'm doing 4. This isn't so much a financial thing, but proper goal setting. If you let your business grow, it'll grow in whichever direction it feels like. And it could grow in a direction you don't want to take it in. You know what I mean? Like, you could start in one place and all of a sudden you start getting lots of clients in one direction, in one niche. You don't really want to be in it. You don't enjoy them. They're bad clients. They don't pay enough, but somehow you wound up in it because you just let it go wherever it wanted to go. Your goal was just be bigger. Figure out what you want to do in your business, what you want to do in your personal life, because your business exists to serve you to a certain extent, right? That's why you started it, for a better life. And, keep it pointed in that direction.
Hey, thanks for watching these Golden Nuggets. And as a reward, I got another big fat Golden Nugget just for you. I wrote this book for you to help you get your act together online so you can grow your business better. You're searching, you want to learn. This is a great book. Grab the book, grow your business.
Amazing, right?